Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Asiel. Today I'm gonna take you with me. So usually Oregon is not blessed with snow every year, but today we got snow. You guys, I'm gonna take you with me. We got snow. Look at that. A lot of people are out, or maybe not a lot, but a few. So today we're gonna try to play in the snow and just see if Piper can have a good time. And yeah, so this is so fun. Yesterday, I think it already started snowing, but I did not take you guys with me because I don't have a holder in my car to hold the phone. But I got scared because it's so slippery, so I didn't do a video. So today's my day off, and yeah, so let's go guys, let's have some fun. So Piper and Sean's already up there. They don't really want to be in the video, so I'm gonna try not to have a shoot with them or something. Okay guys, Piper's gonna attempt to slide with Peanut. Peanut is our dog. Let's see. Yeah, go like that. Try not to hit the car. Another round, she said. So Piper's gonna go up there. There are some cars that park at the side of the road because it's hard for them to take the car out if it's in their garage or something. So they're all covered in snow. Oh my gosh, this is so like fun, guys. Look at that. It's good for halo for Filipinos, you know. Here comes Piper and Peanut again. Second round. Lift your feet up. It's okay, lift your feet up. So this is our neighborhood. We live near a school, a grade school. So yeah, the snow is not really much, but it gives us joy. We can have fun and play and slide and ouch. And Piper's hitting me. And see guys, we live near a hill. I know. Yeah, there's some cars. So that's a pretty good one there, Piper. Look at that. Kids are like sliding that way. That's a really fun one if there's no cars. So that's the school and that's our road. We're gonna come over here to take a picture. Okay, so we did our sliding or sledding for the day. Piper got tired and I'm a little cold now also. I don't really like I don't really like to be cold, guys. I'm from the Philippines and I like warm weather. But isn't this pretty to have this kind of weather also? And there's some families also kind of sliding there with small kids, and it's just perfect for them because it's not so far of a hill for them to walk and slide back and stuff. So yeah, isn't that nice? Yay! Oh, here goes Sean and Piper. Sean is trying to, where are they? Trying to pull Piper to go home. Ha, that's funny. So yeah guys, so this is the school that we live, that's close to us. So I'm glad that I'm off today because I hate driving in snow, because here in Oregon, because we don't snow all the time, so people does not know how to drive it. We're not used to it, not compared in other states. So it's hard for us to to drive. It's kind of slippery and tend to have accidents in this kind of weather. So yeah, well, thank you for being with me today. I hope you guys had fun with my little video. With my little video, guys. And yeah, thank you for being with me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video, guys. It's getting colder, so I'm going to go back home and maybe have some cocoa and just enjoy the day off. Yeah, so yes guys, thank you, bye bye. Stay safe everyone. these cars are just parked here because some of them that lived on that hill is gonna have a hard time coming down. So what they did is they left their car here at the school parking lot so that it will be easy for them to go to work the next day. That's why there's a few cars parked here at the school parking lot. So yeah, if you guys going home, oh God, precious.